Hi guys, my name's Avery and I'm the owner of Lily Pads, and I want to come on here and answer some of your more frequently asked questions. And the first one is, why do some women switch over to cloth pads? So one reason is that they're more comfortable. A lot of women have sensitivities and allergies to the chemicals that are in disposable pads. They can get a lot of itchiness, rashes, and sometimes it can be very painful. Another reason is that they can save money. By switching over to cloth pads, you're going to save 100 to 200 disposables per cloth pad. One of our cloth pads will last you between 5 and 10 years if you take care of it well. And a third big reason is that it's more environmentally friendly. So like I said, one of our cloth pads will replace from 100 to 200 disposable pads. And those disposable pads that you throw away in the landfill, they're actually made from 90% plastic, and they'll take 500 to 800 years to decompose. And that's filling up our landfills like crazy. So I hope I could answer that question for you well. And if you have any more, please let me know.